2/3 of. So 2/3. Just follow the English. The sum. What sum? The sum of. So let's put it somewhere here because it's sum of something. Sum of a number. What's the number? And you see this sentence? Huh? This is it. 2/3 of the sum of a number and 5. Are we good? Is the same as. What's the meaning of the same as? Oh, you're getting it. It's same as what? What's 1/4? 1/2 is half. What's 1/4? 1/3 is 1/3. What's 1/4? If you have an orange and you divide it like this, you have divided into. So this is what? 1/. So this half. If you divide it again, this place will be what? 1/4. So how do you say 1/4 in English? 1/4. 1/4. That's why on the face of the clock, if the time is this, you say 1/4 to. Yes, because it's at the quarter sign. If it's on this side, you say 1/4 Good. So 1/4 is what? 1/4 of. Good. The difference. What's difference? Difference. What's the difference between 5 and 3? 2. So what's the meaning of difference? Good. So you put it here because we don't know what you're going to subtract. 1/4 of the difference between. How do you write 5 times the number? What's the number? What's the number that we choose? What's the number I will choose? The sum of a number and 5. X. So how do you write 5 times a number? The number. 5 times x. So how do you write them together? Good. So now, it's the same as 1/4 of the difference minus subtraction between 5 times the number and. We're done. They say find the number. So you are looking for. So we can do away with the multiplication sign by just leaving it outside the bracket. So we have. You see this 2/3 can be written as 2x plus 5/3. This one is 5x minus 3/4. Obviously 1 is outside here, but anything times 1 is that same thing. So is that okay? This is clear. Now the next thing you're supposed to do, what do you do? Cross multiply. Or you can do away with the brackets. So let's remove the brackets first before we cross multiply. Right? If you want to remove bracket, this times this times this. So we have 2 times x, 2x, 2 times 5, 10/3. This one, we'll move the bracket. 1 times 5x, 5x. 1 times minus 3 over. We good? So from here now, no more brackets, nothing to do. So we do what? Cross multiply. So if we cross multiply, we have 4 into 2x plus 10 equals 3 into 5x minus 3. What do we do from here? 4 times 2x, that will be 8x. 4 times 10, 40, 15x minus 9. What next? Collect like terms. So which should we do? 15x comes to this side, and so that will be 8x minus 15x equals, subtract 40 from both sides, 40 leaves here and becomes, don't forget the minus 9 is still here, it's only this you carried. Okay, minus 9 minus 40. Okay, so what next? 8 minus 15x.
7x minus 7x.
Good. Minus 7x equals
Minus 49.
good. Minus 49.
Now divide both sides by the coefficient of x.
Good. So what's the coefficient of x?
7.
Nope. Coefficient of x?
Minus 7.
Good. Negative 7, the coefficient of x. So divide both sides by minus 7. So that will be minus 7x over minus 7 equals to minus 49 over minus 7. This goes. X equals 7 here, 1, 7 in 49. So let's quickly do a check. Let's quickly do a check. X is 7 here. Okay, so let's put 7 here instead of x. X is also 7 here. Let's put 7 here very quickly instead of x. So this is 5 times 7 minus 3. 7 plus 5. 12. Okay, so we have 2 over 3 bracket 12 on this side. On the other side, we have 5 times 7. 35. 35 minus 3. So we have 32 in the bracket and we'll have 1 over 4 outside. 3 will go here. 3 will go here. 2 times 8. 2 times 4. 8. So this side is 8. 4 will go here. 4 in 32. 8. So is x 7? Is it 7?
Yes.
X is 7. We just put x back in the equation and we got this side must be equal to this side if you put x back. So now we put x back in the equation and we got that both sides are equal. Left hand side must be equal to right hand side. That's it.